Hi again, this is Monica Walters of Inner Strength Acupuncture here in Portland, Oregon. And today I want to talk with you a little bit about acne. I love treating teens and young adults, and something that comes up a lot is skin problems. And with acne, I take a very holistic approach. It's possible to clear your skin naturally through modifications in diet and looking at the herbs you take and your topical care. So today I'm going to briefly touch on all three of those. The first I want to talk about is diet, and often with acne-prone skin, cutting out dairy is the first way we go, and it helps a lot of people to cut out all kinds of dairy and replace them with something else that's delicious for them. And we see less of less pus coming out in the acne, and it's less likely to stick around. So in Chinese medicine, I'll go into this, we look at things elementally, and acne has a component of dampness. We often see that in the environment with rain, and heat, which is inflammation. So you'll see redness, and that's why pimples are so unpleasant, because they pop out and they look they stand out in their color. So herbally, I like to use a couple different internal formulas from Evergreen Herbs, which is a great company out of Washington State, and they're very clean. I use Herbal ENT, which I'll show you here, and also Herbal ABX. So these two formulas guide towards the head and the face. They're taken a few times a day, and they have a lot of antibiotic qualities in them. When you have the pus coming out, it's likely to spread on the skin if you don't contain that kind of infection. So these herbs help to clear the infection, like antibiotics, but they're not chemical. They don't have the same kind of effect that regular prescription strength antibiotics do. They're much gentler, and they keep your good flora in your gut, which you need. So probiotics are another thing that I like to work with, prescribing a good probiotic that works with that person's chemistry on their skin. So I'm going to get into external care. I like to use gua sha and teach my patients. These are gua sha tools. It's a kind of massage, and this is a tool made out of buffalo horn. And what I use it to do is bring blood circulation, oxygenation, all to the face area, which helps to regenerate and refresh all the skin cells more quickly. So I'll demonstrate a little bit here. I go down on the neck like that. I'm not going to do it, but you'll see once you do it, you see redness, and that's draining all the lymphatic area before we get into the face and we do upward strokes. I like to do it around my eyes because that really relaxes the eye muscles. So it feels good. People are often eager to do it, and it just helps them feel like they're taking really substantive action during their day to help clear their acne. A topical oil is also great to help moisturize the skin and keep it from getting too dry. Even if your skin looks oily in patches, this is a great thing to do. My personal favorite is evening primrose oil, and I get this from Rose Mountain Herbs. And I just put a little bit in my hands. I apply a hydrosol like this, and then it goes on really smooth. It makes your skin feel kind of dewy and soft without being shiny or greasy. And as a spot treatment, I also really like tea tree oil. So this is just regular tea tree oil from the store, and all you do is take a tiny drop on your finger and apply it to the pimple, and that has antifungal and antibiotic properties that will help clear up that specific area faster. One other thing for really inflamed skin or sensitive skin is washing with water instead of harsh soaps with salicylic acid. And I like to use Thayer's aloe and witch hazel. I just put that in a little cotton pad and apply it on my skin. And it's really soothing and calm and prevents breakouts later. So I hope you liked this video today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and like it or share it with your friends. I'll be doing a video every Friday, and if you want more, my website is www.innerstrengthacupuncture.com. Look forward to seeing you next week.